Hey Benchwarmer fans, Stone here, going to do another bots break Benchwarmer Daizy Dukez 2012. Still hoping to get Carmen, Electra, and Sarah Underwood. But we did get some of the girls that we wanted. Cassandra Lynn, Tori Wilson, and Catherine Bach. If you hear that sound in the background, it's rain and thunder and lightning. Anyway, so here's the bots. This is bots number 8. Alright, so wish me luck. Hopefully we get some good stuff. We already got a 101. But I'm still hoping we can get another one. Hopefully we can get a zipper card. I think this is an awesome product. Alright. Again, right off the bat, there's a hit. Put this in the back. Okay. First off, we got Stacey Hall. I'll try to focus this. I don't know if it's focusing or not. Here we go. Stacey Hall. And that's it. Carmen. Next up, Yvonne Nelson. Very nice autograph. Next we got Andrea Lowe. Next we got Brandy Grace. Booyah! There's the thunder and the lightning. Next we got Jennifer Corbin. Very nice card. Booyah! Next we got Kirsty Lingman. And the hit right off the bat was this Kiss card. Andrea Lowe. Kiss card. 9 of 15. Very pink lipstick there. And then let's take a look at these cards over here. Oh, we got only two cards, and one is a big card. Hopefully it's a zipper card. If it's not the zipper card, it's probably a shoe card. Next we got a 10 of 10 Jessica Hall. So let's see what this hit is. Wish me luck. Ooh! It's a big swatch. Carmen, Electra. Nice. I wasn't expecting this, but we got this. Awesome. So we finally hit Carmen Electra. This is actually my first swatch of Carmen Electra. I still haven't scored her autograph yet, or anything else besides the base cards. But this is my first swatch. Still hoping to score an autograph. Wow, awesome. Here's the back of the Jessica Hall. So that means we can put Carmen back here now. I can remove this and put her back here. So we still need to hit Sarah Underwood. Hopefully something good from Sarah Underwood. Alright, thanks for watching YouTube.